girls in the shade, I respect that. I got you, girl.
This isn't heat,
All
Liz.
right. Hello, how are we doing? Really good? Amazing.
Awesome.
My name is Elizabeth Stein. I work for OEC, and I also happen to be a National Auto Body Council board member, and I happen to also be a WIN executive board member. And what I'm so excited about today is I get to bring two organizations I love very much that we got to work on a project in collaboration together with the two of us, as well as if you're a WIN board member, can you just raise your hand? Wave. Hold up high. If you're a National Auto Body Council member, if you could please wave your hand. A special shout out to a National Auto Body Council board member who is Shireen Hazard, who happened to also be a most influential woman tonight. And then a WIN board member, Debbie Mintz, who also happens to be in MIW tonight, so very excited. Very excited. Okay, so one of the things that we want to facilitate with Recycled Rides is we're going to be gifting a hardworking woman who's been part of the Fostering Great Ideas community with a gift of a vehicle. This gifting is possible due to the hard work of GEICO Insurance, who donated the vehicle. So GEICO Insurance, wave your hand. GEICO is his son. That is my parent life goal. And then Caliber Collision actually repaired the vehicle. And then our WIN Conference Committee as well worked in collaboration with our National Auto Body Council Committee to pull off this event, because it's kind of a big deal. And then special thank you to Debbie Robinson. She is running around and she makes everything possible. She makes us look good, right? With the notes. So let me tell you a little bit about the National Auto Body Council. So I was involved from the very beginning. Our first year, we had this crazy idea in 2007 of being able to develop a program to give the gift of reliable transportation to families in need in various communities. Because we figured that it's a one place that we could bring body shops, insurers, and also rental car companies, as well as paint and parts, and everybody can come together in collaboration to help provide for those families in need. And my first recipient happened to be a man that was in the foster system, so this is super special for me. He was in the foster care system. He was raising 3 of his grandchildren. And you know those people in society, you just are like, this guy's never caught a break. Like when we had this beautiful bow, he started walking towards the service van because he's like, I didn't want to get my hopes up. And our painter was the most jaded individual I've ever met. I fought with that guy for 3 months, started crying, and I'm like, exactly. So, it was awesome. So now we have done, since 2007, we've donated over 3,000 vehicles to people throughout various communities. And that's awesome, right? So we have GEICO and Allstate and Caliber and Gerber and so DCR, like so many independents that have facilitated this throughout their communities, and Progressive Insurance, and so many people that have helped pull these off, where we've seen veterans that have been able to get to a job. We've seen single moms with medically fragile children who can finally get to an appointment. And we even had one mom whose son had cancer, and she was able to be by his side because she hadn't been able to visit him. And when he passed away, it was in his mother's arms. And that was amazing to me. And so many impactful stories. So with that, let's get going, right? So I'd like to introduce Lisa Trillo. So Lisa is the Assistant Vice President of Claims for the Southeast region for GEICO. She has a few words to say.
Good afternoon. I won't take a lot of time here, but I'm just blessed to work for a company that partners with other amazing organizations. So NABC, Enterprise, Caliber, just amazing to offer these vehicles to people who wouldn't have another means. They mean so much. And when you think about what we've done just at GEICO alone, so GEICO last year alone provided 151 cars across the country, so that's pretty amazing. The Southeast region since 2018 has provided, this is our 130th car for just the Southeast region. We're super excited about that. Thank you all for being here. And I just want to say congratulations to our recipients as well.
Thank you so much, Lisa. And then I'd like David White, if you could please introduce us to our recipient, Olivia. David?
I'm going to ask Hope Kuder to take that honor. Hope?
Okay, so Hope, you're right on up. Welcome to the Price is Right. It's all good. Okay, and next, so Shireen Hazard, who also happens to be one of our most influential women tonight. We can't celebrate them enough. She's an amazing woman. She also happens to be our representative for Caliber. Would you please come out and say a few words? Thank you so much.
Alrighty, how exciting is this? As one of our nation's largest automotive service providers, Caliber's purpose is to restore the rhythm of lives for our customers, clients, teammates, and communities that we serve. We are honored to partner today with GEICO, fostering great ideas, Women's Industry Network, to restore the rhythm of life for a very special young lady by providing her with the gift of reliable transportation. It is especially fitting that we are presenting this gift at the Women's Industry Network Conference. Many of us here today have been blessed with opportunities in the collision industry to have amazing jobs, grow successful careers, and develop long-lasting friendships with colleagues. We hope that the gift of transportation will be the catalyst for Recycled Rides recipient Olivia Carter to start to build her future in the same manner. Since 2012, Caliber and industry partners have gifted over 500 vehicles through the National Auto Body Council Recycled Rides program. We are so proud of our Caliber Spartanburg Image Drive teammates. Teammates, where are you? Thank you. Who have volunteered their personal time to restore this car, as well as our teammates nationwide who have helped restore and enrich the lives of thousands of men, women, and children. Thank you to our teammates for their personal commitment and dedication to give back to the communities that we serve. We are so humbled that together with GEICO and other industry partners, that this gift of transportation will allow Olivia the freedom and the independence to do many daily routines that many of us take for granted, such as going to work, school, grocery store, and simply just enjoying life with friends and family. Olivia, enjoy your new car. We wish you so much success and happiness.
When great organizations all come together to pull something out, right? When we work together, we can do anything. Thank you so much. See you.
notice they don't come into the dining